This is what a £1,000,000 buy-to-let portfolio looks like in the Northwest, but it actually doesn't make as much money as you'd think. You'd be looking at purchasing 10 properties which would cost you around 100k each, meaning if you purchase these with a mortgage, you'd have £250,000 in deposits and £750,000 in mortgages. At a 5.5% interest rate, that debt will cost you £3,437.50 every single month. Typically, these properties would rent out for £700 per calendar month, meaning your gross rental income would be 7k for the month. Minus 12% management fee for your letting agency, this would leave you with £6,160. Then taking away your mortgage payments, this would leave you with £2,722.50 every month. Let's also factor 10% in for maintenance, so that'd leave you with £2,022.50. Then insurance across all these properties is probably going to be £300 a month, resulting in a profit of £1,722.50, meaning you'd make around £172.50 per property, which actually doesn't seem that good. This is the exact reason why most investors are looking at Airbnbs and HMOs. In fact, it's the exact reason we're looking at HMOs. If you want to see more stuff about that, make sure you drop me a follow. £250,000 invested to make £170 per property just isn't worth it. Although you could flex about having a £1,000,000 portfolio, higher interest rates have absolutely killed your profit.